Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sharnava Mikla and my student ID is 2116610. I am presenting on the existence of cryptography, a study on instant messaging. People's behavior towards cell phone shift from demurs to reliance when the notion of efficiency and optimization work is accommodated in a single device. According to data from wheresocial.com, more than half of the world's population utilizes internet, with smartphones accounting more than 90% of all internet users. In turn, the internet and smartphone combo provides a plethora of communication alternatives including social media, instant messaging, video calls, and so on. Instant messaging dominates the top 5 highest user ranks seen in Figure 1. Instant messaging has become a trend as a model of contemporary society, meeting not only human communication requirements but also become a trend as a model of modern society. This reflects a desire for better efficiency, privacy, and secrecy in communication. Research construction, research sample. There are a plethora of cryptography apps for cell phones that can communicate ciphertext using internet messaging apps because they run on the Android and iOS platform. CryptoCast, Encrypt, Indicrypto, and AES Crypto were chosen as examples in this study. It also employs the AES algorithm, which has been designated by NIST as a standard for information security research process. Here, in this image, an overflow of this process is shown. Plain text variants that potentially indicate the possibility of plain text being utilized by the user are used in the testing for each cryptography application. The first test is to see how each method generates a random ciphertext that can be shown graphically. Another random test is to look at the data distribution, presuming that any data is that uniformly distributed at each interval provides complementary information for determining ciphertext randomness. Although just one bit difference happens in plain text, the avalanche effect values are the second test and become a vital signal to assess how great the algorithm is able to create alternations to the ciphertext. In addition, the next test is key space, which recognizes the complexity of space and time necessary for brute force cryptanalysis, as because the method is supposed to be confined under the ASCII standard. There are range limits on three approaches because it is easier for the user to utilize the ciphertext uses text characters. Nonetheless, it becomes less efficient and secure since it will be confined to only a few characters and allegation space will be reduced by 7 bits. Conclusion and recommendations. The randomness, valence effect, key space complexity, and Kirchhoff principal test were all passed for each cryptographic application. Although each cryptographic program performs well in certain tests, it also performs poorly in others. As a consequence, AES crypto is the greatest application in the randomness test and are superior. After that, encrypto method becomes the test for plain text. Encrypt, on the other hand, has the best key space complexity among the others. Each cryptography application, on the other hand, does not adhere to Kirchhoff's principle. As a result of applying the SCW technique, the best overall cryptography application is encrypt, followed by AES crypto, ND crypto, and cryptocast. Thank you.